Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need.
This is Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com. And this is a 20-year-old Heritage Softail. It's a great-looking bike, but the owner was actually going to get rid of it. He was ready to be done with it until AP Lazer came along, and he was able to get personalized touches like this. This windscreen here is a tribute to his fiance and his relationship, and this makes it a special item. This was a regular windscreen and now becomes something priceless. And touches like that, and also they're going to be putting headlight shrouds on this thing, also some new saddlebags. Those are all going to be great personal touches on this motorcycle, and that's all, again, thanks to AP Lazer. Shannon, how is it easy for AP Lazer to go from material to material? We got leather, we got metals, and all kinds of things on this motorcycle.
Well, basically you're just changing your speed and power settings. So we give you a guide that tells you, okay, if you're doing wood and engraving wood, what speed and power settings to use. So there's a guide for pretty much all your basic materials. And really, it's easy to learn. I mean, sometimes I get a random material and I'm not sure, but you know, practice makes perfect. And
well, not only that, there's some resources you have as an AP Lazer user.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, you can call 24/7 phone tech support, and that's available for the lifetime of the machine. We also have tons of resources such as their Facebook group, and then we also have AP Lazer University, which is a great learning resource. There's tons of videos on there that show you how to use the machine, and lots of things out there that you can, at your fingertips, so you can learn.
We've touched on just a few things with this Harley. What are some other materials and some other pieces on motorcycles you've seen people use the Lazer for?
Anything from the windshields, like you see in this one, all the way to saddlebags, which we've done. I've done derby covers. I've seen people make urns out of the gas tanks, actually, which is kind of a unique thing. And even the chrome parts and the rims as well.
And the gas cap as well. And check this out. This is for the owner of this motorcycle. Another personalized job here. AP Lazer on leather, and that really looks fantastic. I know the owner's a musician, so the guitars there are a really cool tribute to that. Now, what do you get from folks that take an ordinary object like this jacket and then they see it made into something extraordinary?
Well, I make a lot of stuff myself, so I get to see these people's reactions, and it's amazing. I mean, I've seen people cry, honestly. Putting a photograph onto something, for example, it can be priceless. And also, when you have a Lazer, you can pretty much make whatever you want. So if you want to, you know, make it personalized touch or just be funny with it, it's a great machine to have and a great tool for any business.
What if you get someone who's watching this and they say, well, I'm not an artist, I'm not very good at that kind of stuff. How easy is AP Lazer for them to use to make something like that? Well,
Dave, if you dream it, you can do it. And if you can Google it, you can do it too. So really anything out there, you know, like you can create your own designs, and it's very easy. I mean, if I'm looking for, you know, a heart shape or a motorcycle, you know, there's lots of free designs out there that you can use. And basically you just, you know, you find what you want, you put it together, and you put it on your material.
All right, the second step to that then, folks get past that hurdle. What if they say, I'm no good at computers, I could never figure out a machine like this?
Well, really, we have customers anywhere from brand new beginners that are not computer savvy to graphic designers. But no worries, because our tech support is great. They'll walk you through the process. We actually are able to help you out on your computer. We have a team viewer, it's called, where we can jump on your computer and help you out. But we also offer training and 3-year warranty on the machines too, so you're really covered.
From the very start, what's it like for folks to jump into the AP Lazer community?
Well, it really is a community that is welcoming you with open arms. I mean, our customers make friends, you know, they're always sharing ideas. It's a continuing learning process, but you can also start with the machine and be able to make products right away.
You said your imagination is the only limit when it comes to designing on AP Lazer, and part of that has to do with its design.
Right.
What are some physical attributes of the AP Lazer that make it easy to engrave on different materials and different size objects?
Well, the AP Lazer is actually a 3-part system, so you can remove this whole Z table underneath it, and you can engrave any size item. You can also lift the Lazer up off its frame and set it onto something to engrave as well. So there's really no size or weight limitation to what you can do with the AP Lazer.
AP Lazer makes it easy to use. You can take the simple and you can make it into something extraordinary. Open a business, do it with AP Lazer. Find them at aplazer.com. And find more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonFireTools.com when we come back.